Little stewed chicken, guys. Ooh, with seasoning on top. Wow. This looks so pretty. Ooh, look like it can eat. Anyone for stewed chicken today? Take a look, guys. Real Jamaican stewed chicken. Listen to the sound coming from it. Bubbling, that's bubbling. One pot with stewed chicken, which is for my husband, and one pot with stew peas, but not just any stew peas, stew peas with chicken feet or chicken foot. Can you guys see it? My husband said he don't want no stew peas, and I want stew peas, so therefore I made him stewed chicken. So in this case, guys, what will you guys do? Make two different meat or just make one? Leave a comment. Bye. Check out my stew peas. I just dropped a piece of coconut cream in it, guys. Look at that. With stew peas, guys, stew peas with chicken foot. Oh, sweetie, this is what I want for my dinner this afternoon. Hey, guys. And look how the scotch bonnet stand up in it, guys. And that. This is what I want for my dinner. Coconut cream, guys. So let this simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes until look at my dinner. Oh my god, stew peas with chicken feet or chicken foot. Jamaica call it chicken foot, American said chicken feet, and a glass of grapefruit juice, guys. I'm still full from breakfast, so I'm just gonna have a little something, nothing much. And look, my tomatoes are so pretty. Wow.